We are raring to go. We are on track in more ways than one. We are on track to complete SGR construction work by June 2017. We are on track to ensure that the standard gauge railway will be operational on time and within the stipulated budget. The locomotives will arrive in January 2017, and in June 2017, Phase 1 from Nairobi to Mombasa will be launched to allow for testing of equipment and handling, signalling and other such processes. Let us see what we have achieved so far. This mammoth project began with a vision that is soon to be completed. It will be a fulfillment of both the Millennium Development Goals and Vision 2030. The benefits of the SGR project will be immense for the country and the region, as this improved rail is expected to greatly improve the transport sector in the country, decongest the port of Mombasa and our roads, create jobs and enhance local markets, and ultimately integrate the East African community.
We cannot develop the port of Mombasa without having the SGR. With an increase in cargo, because now we are doing the second container terminal, which will bring an additional 500,000 containers. Clearly, the road network was going to be completely overwhelmed. And so it was important to do this railway, which will then be taking most of the cargo, especially the freight, from Mombasa to Nairobi, and also make sure that the speed is actually enhanced.
In preparation for completion of the works, the country has been training personnel who will run and operate the rail.
Here at RTI, under the SGR training, we are doing ICT, basically communication, but the technology is more advanced.
This specialized training on SGR has been taking place at the Railway Training Institute, with another local capacity building program in Voi. Kenya will soon boast of having its first ever railway engineers, students currently undertaking railway-related studies at the Beijing Jietong University, and who will return to take charge in the operations of the railway system. Let us now fly away to the People's Republic of China, where the railway cars and locomotives are being fabricated to the specifications of Kenya's standard gauge railway.
We are bringing brand new locomotives manufactured by one of the most reputable locomotive manufacturers in China. They manufacture for Chinese railways, they manufacture for many other countries across the world. We have had a lot of due diligence work done on them. So we are confident that the locomotives we are bringing on board are good quality. They operate elsewhere, they have been tested, and they will serve us very well. We have in place a robust maintenance framework between the same manufacturer and the operator, and therefore that area, as far as future operations, supply of spare parts is concerned, that has been taken care of.
Our engineers have been at the locomotive manufacturing factory in Kishuyan for weeks, working alongside the company employees to ensure that we receive vehicles of the highest quality.
Our brief is, first of all, to do the pre-shipment inspection to ensure that the quality of the product that we are getting from here is, first of all, to the correct specifications, which is specified in the contract documents, and to also ensure that it is of the highest quality possible.
So far we are getting the best. We'll be able to have locomotives that are doing 4,000 tons, thus putting wagons which are combined. The train will be 880 meters long, and that will enable us to achieve our objective of moving cargo faster, efficiently, reliably, and with minimal breakage.
These locomotives are now making their final journey to the port of Mombasa and are due to arrive in January 2017. These state-of-the-art locomotives will be carrying over 1,000 passengers and at a speed of 120 kilometers per hour, meaning movement from Nairobi to Mombasa in approximately 4 hours. With that, the SGR will be replacing more than 15 buses from our roads, and it will be 3 times faster than traveling by road. Not only that, the comfort and safety of the passengers is definitely assured. Another highlight of the standard gauge railway will be its increased cargo capacity. This is attributed by the fact that the railway freight wagons will be able to carry 2 containers stacked one on top of the other. What do we expect to see concerning the SGR project in the next 6 months?
For the next 6 months, between January and June of 2017, we will be working to ensure that we finally bring the construction of SGR to a close and to start the operationalization of the project in order to get to deliver the value to a customer, both the cargo owner and the passenger. And therefore, come 1st of June, we expect that our locomotives, our coaches, our wagons, the entire network will be safe, secure and efficient to move our cargo and to move our passengers in line with what we initiated to do 2.5 years ago.
This is the reason why we must view the substantial investment in railway as a worthy investment to underpin the regional economic agenda. An economy only ever thrives on the foundation of proper infrastructure.
2017 promises to be excitingly transformative for the railway sector in Kenya. Come, ride with us, 'cause we are right on track.